What if your job, your decisions, your very thoughts could be done faster, smarter, and better by a machine? This isn't science fiction. It's now, and in this new digital frontier, the real question isn't whether AI will replace humans, but how we choose to evolve with it. Stay with us, because by the end of this video, you won't just understand the future. You'll be ready to lead it. The rise of intelligence, from human brain to neural net. AI didn't appear overnight. It evolved from decades of research into how we learn, think, and solve problems. The human brain, with its complexity and plasticity, served as inspiration. Machine learning took those ideas and translated them into algorithms that could learn from data. The 1956 Dartmouth Conference was the official birth of AI. But the real momentum has exploded only in the last 15 years. From narrow AI-like calculators to generative models like GPT, the leaps have been exponential. Unlike humans, AI doesn't sleep, doesn't forget, and can process terabytes in seconds. This capability isn't about replacing you, it's about augmenting human intelligence. But we must ask, what is uniquely human in the age of machine minds? Creativity and emotion. Human, unmatched, or just delayed. Art, music, storytelling. These have long been the sacred domains of human expression. But AI is now composing symphonies, writing novels, and designing fashion. Is it creativity or just mimicry? Emotion is still a frontier machines have not mastered, but they're learning to recognize it through voice, text, and facial data, while humans feel AI predicts. But when prediction becomes precise, does the need for feeling diminish or intensify? The deeper AI goes, the more we must question what separates soul from software. Can empathy be coded? Can innovation be synthetic? These aren't science questions, they are societal ones. The work shift, automation, careers, and future-proofing, jobs are evolving or disappearing. AI is already outperforming humans in data analysis, diagnostics, logistics, and even coding. But soft skills like leadership, intuition, and ethics remain uniquely human. For now, the future workforce needs to think in terms of augmentation, human plus AI, not human versus AI. Adaptability will be the #1 skill. Roles will shift from execution to oversight, from doing to designing systems. The question becomes, are we preparing our education and mindset fast enough? Or will we be outpaced by our own creations? Ethics, control, and the black box problem. AI doesn't have morals. It reflects the biases of its creators and the data it's fed. The danger isn't AI becoming evil, it's AI doing exactly what we told it to, without understanding right or wrong. The black box problem means we often don't know why AI makes certain decisions. If it denies a loan, fires a worker, or flags a security threat, can we trace that logic? Who's accountable when an algorithm goes rogue? In the race to innovate, we must slow down enough to build with intention. Governance, transparency, and ethics aren't afterthoughts, they're survival protocols. Human 2.0, symbiosis, cyborgs, and cognitive enhancement. The future isn't AI replacing us, it's AI merging with us. Brain-computer interfaces, smart implants, and augmented cognition are in development now. Imagine remembering everything, thinking faster, communicating thoughts in real time. This isn't utopia, it's already prototyped, but every tech upgrade must confront a human cost. Will this widen inequality? Who controls the enhancements? And if we modify ourselves too much, do we remain human at all? Reclaiming purpose in a machine world. When machines outperform us, what gives us value? The answer is not speed or data, it's meaning. It can calculate, simulate, and even suggest, but only humans can decide what matters. Our ability to dream, to question existence, to care for each other, that's the real edge. In a hyper-efficient, optimized future, the most human thing we can do might be to slow down. Reflection, creativity, purpose, they're not byproducts, they're the point. So the challenge is no longer surviving AI, it's thriving with it. When AI fails, lessons from machine errors. AI might be smart, but it's not always right. Self-driving cars have misread street signs, and biased algorithms have discriminated in hiring and policing. These aren't small glitches, they're reminders that machines still depend on flawed human data. When facial recognition systems fail to identify people with darker skin, it's not just technical, it's societal. AI doesn't understand fairness, only patterns. Every mistake AI makes reflects the limitations of its training. It shows us that intelligence without understanding can still go dangerously wrong. From medical misdiagnoses to chatbots spewing misinformation, the consequences can be real. But failure teaches us. It urges developers, ethicists, and governments to build more transparent, accountable systems. Creativity, human spark, or artificial illusion. AI can paint, write music, and generate poetry. But is it truly creative, or just remixing what already exists? When ChatGPT writes a poem, it's pulling from millions of texts. It doesn't feel inspiration. Creativity isn't just output, it's intention. Humans create from struggle, joy, history, and dreams. AI imitates, but it doesn't originate. Still, the lines are blurring. Collaborations between humans and AI are pushing art into bold new spaces. The question is no longer, can AI be creative? But do we value the process or the product more? AI and inequality. Who gets left behind? As AI reshapes industries, not everyone benefits equally. High-income countries and tech elites are gaining more power, while others fall further behind. Automation threatens to replace low-skilled jobs, while access to AI tools remains limited for many. There's a growing gap between those who build AI and those who are shaped by it. If left unchecked, this could deepen economic and social divides. Responsible AI means addressing who it serves and who it overlooks. Equity must be built into the code, not added as an afterthought. The future must be inclusive, or it will repeat the past. The philosophy of AI. What does it mean to be human? As AI evolves, we must ask deeper questions. If machines can think, what makes us unique? Is it emotion, mortality, soul, or consciousness? These aren't tech questions, they're human ones. Philosophers now sit alongside engineers to debate ethics, personhood, and purpose. AI is forcing us to redefine intelligence, agency, and even life. Perhaps AI won't replace us, but help us understand ourselves better. In the end, the question isn't what AI can do, it's who we choose to become. Conclusion and final thought. The future isn't about choosing sides between AI or humans. It's about choosing a mindset, one of learning, adaptability, and vision. AI is here, and it's only getting smarter. But the smartest move is to evolve alongside it. Ask better questions. Build with ethics. Think like a machine. Feel like a human. This is Deepnology, where future minds come to sharpen. Like and subscribe if you're ready to outthink the algorithm. Leave a comment below. What's one thing humans will always do better than AI?